Hey, blood clot girl Erica. No, me can't start it like that. Dear Erica, why you have to put me through this? I thought we were going to work out our differences.
Everywhere. You follow back on me. You come here and say you follow back on me. Boss it woman head, you follow back on me. You want boss one more somebody head. You say follow me. Move from back on me. Move from back on me, man. Come on, sir. Move from back on me, man. Move. Sit back here. Well, kill him now.
Start a fight in 5 words or less and don't use politics.
Go suck your mama. Jamaicans talk, so I'm finna try it. What up?
Alright,
so what are you doing here? Oh, what y'all doing here, huh? Bumble clock! Is it mine? FMA? That FM, is that for me? Oh, I get it. FMA, bitch. Where are you going? Oh, where you go?
Oh, the
Bumble clock. Where you go? Why did you call me? Oh, where you call me for? Where you call me for? Bumble clock. Kill me now, bumble clock. Come back here.
But you can't come to Jamaica. You can't fall to Jamaica.
Come back here, son. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Somebody's Jamaican.
You're good, G. Go on.
Look at this. Look upon this.
Yeah, look upon this.
Top shelf. I know y'all seen that video before. My mother. Me mother.
No, brother, we need a part two.
Hey, I'm doing.
Yo, this nigga. Bro, you can't come to Jamaica, G.
We're gonna start from my girlfriend.
Yeah, my girlfriend.
My girlfriend. Yes. Boom. Okay, y'all see me say boom cloud every day.
Okay.
Blood clot girlfriend. My girlfriend. Is it my child? What the hell? Picking it. He got himself dirty. Him nasty up himself. Pussy was. Can I have some of that? Give me some of that. Oh, wait. Oh, yo. Make me go to soda. Give me a soda. You hear me? What is that? Oh, what that? Deli?
Yes, I mean that, sir.
Young people are coming, man.
Oh, you cute.
Bumble clock.
How you doing, sir?
Why you just can't eat it? Miss, why you just can't show me on my phone? Man, that hurt me now. Why you just lady?
Well under fire.
Miss, you go cancel that right?
3, 2, 1.
They gave you $50,000 right now to walk up and slap me. Would you do it? Be honest with yourself.
Yo! A free man say, yo, you feel like you're a bad man, brother. Cross the line and you see what go on for you. If you're a bad... Alright, if you're a bad man, cross the line now. Alright, if you're a bad man. If you're a bad man. Only if you're a bad man. If you're a bad man, you. If you're a bad man. Yes, me now.
Said white people's hand cook.
I'm about to get on your ass. I got a potty mouth. You wanna talk?
Yo, brother, which way your mother gone?
She just gone to the bathroom.
Alright, repeat after me.
Man, make sure no foolish shit come with again, you know, bro. Man, relax yourself now, you never make no foolish shit. Of course.
Man, just repeat after me, dog. Ready?
Go on.
Dagwa market.
Dagwa market.
Man, yeah, you're real good batty, no, brother. When me say anything with dog, you are going to post. So I say Dagwa market.
You cannot tell me what to say, what to know what to say. You just
Ready?
repeat after you.
Dagwa market.
Puss go a market.
Dog go to school.
Puss go a school.
Dog do him homework.
Puss do homework.
Dog go in him backyard.
Puss go in him backyard.
Dog see hole.
Puss see hole.
But Jesus!
Man, from this thing as a wicked girl, Marsha.
Where's Sylvia? Come on,
As a wicked girl, Marsha.
Come out of me
You
now.
see them disgrace me and rain with me.
Come out of me.
I'm sticky. Me sticky. Me not move.
Come out of me.
Marsha, me not moving. That's how I'm close to me.
Yo, brother, watch it for out of me yard, brother.
Marsha, you see how you disgrace me out here, Marsha.
Every day you come and
Marsha,
turn
you
on
see
big music.
Marsha.
Me know why you did.
Marsha,
Come
you
out of me.
Marsha, me love you. Marsha, me love you.
Come out
You
of
never
me.
find a man who can love you, so yet, Marsha, you deal with man. So you're a wicked girl, you know. Come out here, you know, Marsha. Look, alright. Marsha.
No. Jesus. I want to the brother, yeah, man. Is why my behave so. Is what happened. Sir. Mr. Pilot, man. No, ma. Why flight attendants lady there? Miss. Ma'am, please. You're disturbing the people on the plane. Could you please calm down? Don't tell me if you calm Miss Flight Attendants lady. Me not calming down. You need to tell the pilot stop flying at so much pothole. Why am I do that? Look how much space in the sky. You tell me him couldn't fly round. Me I get whip splashing on my neck. And that me I say I be a pothole him a flying at. And that me I say I wish we were this 10. Me and the rest of people that in the 10th class I get be a whip splash. Me sure the people that in the first class now.